Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about Metaphors. Metaphors is a platform that was introduced this year, and it was done just after Forsage became quite expensive for a regular person to join. If you have heard about cryptocurrencies, then you might be familiar with Metaphors. So how do you join this platform? The first thing you have to do is get a Trust wallet, and this you can easily do by downloading it in your Play Store or your App Store. And two is to use a referral link that I'll conveniently have down in the description box. And this is my referral link that will let you register on this platform, Metaphors. So in this video, I will insert a clip that will further discuss on how Metaphors works for you guys to see how you can easily make money.
Now, there's no company, there's no cashier, there's no administrator. This thing will never close because it was built, it will be built, it is built already, sorry, on blockchain. So it can't be changed, it can't be adjusted. Hence, they couldn't change the previous one. Otherwise, if it could, they would have changed the previous one. But you can't change it. Once something is placed on the blockchain, it continues. So with this one as well, as long as it is still alive, as long as people, the community is still sharing the business, you will still make money. So your money is paid directly into your Trust wallet. This is the good part, because you don't have to say there are withdrawal delays. No, you're getting your money on your Trust wallet. So guys, quickly, we have got 12 slots, as you can see here, 1 to 12. Now, next to the numbers, to the slot numbers, there is S6 in brackets, and other slots, they've got S3 in brackets. So I'm going to explain what that means. The S6 slots, they mean that there are 6 positions to be filled. Number one, you're getting 300% on all S6 slots. Sorry, on all S6 slots, yes, and you are also getting spillovers on them. The S3 slots is 3 positions to be filled. Number one, 200% that you get from those slots, and this is only for your direct referrals. So if you are that person that doesn't or cannot recruit or does not want to refer, then you won't get paid for slot 3, 6, 9, and 12. So guys, when you buy your first slot, as you can see, there are 6 circles under the first slot there, which is $5, right? The first two arrows, the first two circles that have arrows inside, they are paying you upline. The next 3 coming, they are paying you directly. So your money lies on the empty circles or the white circles. So in this instance, it doesn't matter whether it's your direct referrals or it's spillovers. The first 2 arrows, they pay your upline. The first 2 circles or the first 2 positions, they pay your upline. The next 3, they pay you, giving you $15 in total. And the last one with semi arrows inside, it rebuys you the same slot. So when you then are done with slot 1, the system automatically upgrades you to slot 2. It's the same scenario. First 2 upline, the next 3 pay you, and then the last one rebuys you the same slot. And then slot 3 is for your direct referrals. The first 2 pay you directly, and then the last one rebuys you the same. But guys, we are encouraging everyone to come in on slot 5, meaning you're going to buy from slot 1 to 5 for you to actually make good money. And the company just launched on the 30th of June. It means that this is the time for you to make money. Do not come on slot 1, 2, 3. There is no money there, especially if you cannot recruit. For those people that cannot recruit, kindly buy up the biggest package you can. If you can go to slot 8, slot 9, slot 10, that is where the money is. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works. So guys, you can actually cycle out as many times as possible. Our current uplines cycled out on slot 117 times. That gave you 1,700 US dollars for a $5 slot. Now, let's say you are now on slot 7, which is 320, 960 in total. If you cycle out 10 times, you're making $9,600, guys, on one slot. You are still getting paid slot 1 to 6. I hope you understand that, guys. Now, let's look at slot 8, for example, as well. You are getting paid 640 by 3. Let's quickly do the math. 640 by 3 is 1,920. Should you cycle out 20 times, you are getting paid 38,000. Guys, these are small numbers that I'm talking about. 10, 20 cycles. Those are very small numbers. So you can cycle out or make 38,000 only on slot 8. You're still getting paid 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the highest slot, right? Which is 12, slot 12. Look at slot 12 there. It pays you 10,240 by 2. It's 20,480, guys. If you just cycle up there only just 5 times, not more than that, you are making 102,000 US dollars in rands. That is close to $1.6 million, right? Only on one slot. Now, for those people that want to benefit on spillovers, let's just say you go gaga. and you feel like, no, you know what, I'm just going to buy the high slot. Buy up to slot 11 because you don't need slot 12, right? You will spend 10,240 in all the slots from slot 1. Now, for those people that are depending on spillovers, I need you to look at this the way I am telling you, because you do not want to recruit. So if you do not want to recruit, look at it this way, right? So if you can't recruit, for example, and you make 15,000 after a month, it's already profit. But here, let's look at level 11, slot 11. You are going to get paid 5120 by 3. It's equals to 15,000, guys. 300.
I do believe that if we all work together, we can benefit a lot greatly from this platform. First things first, you have to be committed. The effort you put into this business will determine how much you make. There is a lot of money to be made. All you need right now is to be focused, to be determined, and to believe in this business. Okay, so I would like you guys to join my family, to join my Metaphors family. And to do that, all you have to do is register using my referral link, which I will post down below this video. You must at least do some research about cryptocurrencies and how you can make money from cryptocurrencies.